Hello, my name is Dave Dorman, and I'm a professor of toxicology at the College of Veterinary Medicine here at North Carolina State University. And I'd like to thank one of our alumnus for asking the question, can my dog smell if I have COVID? Well, I think we all know that dogs are remarkable in their ability to detect different odors. They can easily detect things that are in the air at concentrations about 1,000 times lower than what we can detect. And we take advantage of that ability all the time. We train dogs to detect things like drugs or explosives or even cancer. Well, over the past year, some scientists have also tried to train their dogs to detect whether or not a person might have COVID disease. And they present different samples to the dogs, some from people with COVID and some from people without. And over time, the dogs eventually can learn to differentiate between those two types of samples pretty reliably. Greater than 75% of the time, they get it right. Well, let's return now back to your original question. Although we know we can train dogs to detect the odors associated with COVID infection in people, could your own personal dog also do the same thing? And the reality is without training, all the dog would really recognize is that somehow your odor has changed in some subtle way. Think about the last time you walked outside, and when you came back inside, your dog started sniffing you, because they detect these small, subtle changes in odors that we pick up. So unfortunately, the dog wouldn't be able to tell you that you do or don't have COVID disease. Well, I hope I've answered your questions, and I'd encourage the viewers to submit your questions to Tuffy Talks. And in the meantime, stay safe and go pack.